Skiplagging is basically booking a ticket with the intention of getting off halfway through the trip. So if you want to go to Dallas, for instance, you might book a flight that's going to Phoenix and get off in Dallas during your layover. In some cases, airlines might fine you or make you pay a certain amount of money, maybe the difference of the fare. If they find out that you've done this, you could compromise your status with the airline. Another big thing to keep in mind is that if you've checked bags, the big thing is that the bag is going to go to the final destination of the flight.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out these other videos from USA Today to stay up to date with all the latest news.